안녕? Today, I'm going to talk about a topic that many of you are curious about, how to make Korean friends. There are many foreigners who want to make Korean friends, but it might not always be easy. So today, I will give you some practical tips and explain how to approach different situations. Let's get started. So, why do foreigners find it difficult to make Korean friends? First, many foreigners feel it's challenging to make Korean friends because of Korean culture. Koreans tend to be a bit cautious and shy when meeting someone for the first time. Second, there's the language barrier. Korean can be a difficult language to learn, and many foreigners struggle with communications. The third reason is that some people don't know how to meet Korean friends. There are both online and offline ways to meet friends, but many people aren't sure where to start. But don't worry, there are actually many ways. So, how can you make Korean friends? The first tip is to learn some basic Korean. Even knowing and using simple words can help you naturally get closer to Korean friends. Of course, many Koreans can speak English and open better than you might think. However, they can sometimes feel shy about using English. If you use a little Korean during conversation, it will make communication much easier. Basic greeting like hello, 안녕하세요, and thank you, 감사합니다, are must know. The second tip is MBTI. These days, it's common for people in Korea to ask about your MBTI when they first meet. MBTI is indicate your personality preference. It's not so much to judge you, but more as a way to break the ice and understand what kind of person you are. Sharing MBTI information has become a popular conversation starter. You can easily find MBTI tests throughout a quick Google search. The third tip is participating in group activities. In Korea, many people prefer to do things in group. Group dinners, social gathering, and hobby clubs are great opportunity to meet new friends. Recently, running crew have become a trend in Korea where people gathering to learn together. Also, cultural exchange meetings between Koreans and foreigners are held frequently, so joining this event is a great chance to meet new friends. And group activities don't have to be just offline. Koreans also love playing games together online, so playing games together can be a fun way to make friends naturally. Where to meet Korean friends? One of the best way I recommend is HelloTalk. It's a language exchange app where you can teach each other your native language while making friends. Throughout language exchange, you can get to know the other person, share stories, and build friendships. The second way is Instagram. In Korea, Instagram is more popular than TikTok or Facebook. You can politely send a direct message to a Korean saying that you'd like to make friends. It's also important to make sure your Instagram feed look good and give the other person a clear idea of who you are when they visit your profile. That way, they will feel more comfortable talking to you. By the way, here's my Instagram. The third method is KakaoTalk Open Chat Room. The most popular messaging app in Korea is KakaoTalk, and it has a feature where people can create or join group chat based on shared hobbies. You can even search for chat room in English. Offline spot. For offline spaces, I recommend the Han River. In a previous video, I talked about how Koreans live in Seoul love spending time at the Han River at night. As you saw, people come alone or in groups enjoying the river in different ways. I think it's a great idea to bring some snacks or drink and ask, I'm a bit bored, would you like to talk? While you might face a few rejections, I believe you could make some great friends this way. On the other hand, one place I'm a bit cautious about is clubs. Korea has many famous clubs, and because dancing in a group is part of the culture, it can be a fun way to make friends. However, there are also some concerns related to clubs, so I will save that discussion for another video. Also, I don't recommend use Tinder app in Korea too. The key to making Korean friends. Finally, the most important thing you need to make Korean friends is confidence and patience. Koreans are also interested in making foreigner friends. Sometimes foreigners tell me it's hard to approach Koreans and make friends, but on the other hand, my Korean friends often ask me how they can make foreigner friends. Since both sides want to make friends, just confidently say, let's be friends. However, keep in mind that Koreans can be a bit shy or cautious at first, but if you show sincerity and make an effort over time, they will open up and could become your closest friend. Don't expect quick results, respect their pace, and be patient. If you genuinely care about the other person, they will eventually recognize your effort and want to be your friend. I believe the best way to understand a country is by making friends with its people. I hope you can meet great Korean friends and have meaningful exchanges with each other. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you've had any experience make friends in Korea or have any question, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video. 안녕.